Hey everyone, just another short video today. What I'm looking at here is the passenger side mirror here on my 84 Olds diesel, which was formerly codenamed Danielle. This car I bought about 11 years ago, give or take, and of course the glass on here is busted, so it makes it kind of tough to see on the side whenever you're backing up, or even in traffic when you're seeing what's on the side of you in your passenger side. So to rectify that situation, I got this new mirror I got today, that I ordered from Amazon about a couple of days ago, which is right here. So this is a new mirror here, and then of course it came with these flimsy 2-way adhesive or whatever, but that ain't no good. I got this instead right here, which I got from Walmart, which is much stronger to hold, and it's for indoor and outdoor use. But I'm going to use one of these to hold the new mirror on, and I'm going to, it comes in a square like this here, but I'm going to cut it in half so I can have one on each side of the new mirror. So we're going to get this done, and we're going to get this new mirror on the car. Okay, now with some alcohol wipes, I managed to wipe down the surface of this where the old mirror was mounted. So letting it dry, of course, before I mount the new one on, so it's have a clean surface to mount to. And I cut these into 4 squares, so I could probably put them on one on each corner, and then once I get those fitted on there, then we'll get it placed on the mirror. All right, now with the new adhesive on the back side, I'm gonna go ahead and place that on here like this. Gonna try to get it right where the old one was. Of course, I know my fingers are getting on the surface, but that can be easily rectified with window cleaner. So yeah, make sure it's on all 4 corners in the middle, so the adhesive will have a nice strong bond to it. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, and there you go. There's the new mirror, and of course the bee is looking at itself in it. And now I should have no trouble looking out the passenger side when backing or driving on the road. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short video. There'll be more to come soon, so just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.